Before explaining how to customize the QR code of a workspace, don't forget this information before creating the content. It is interesting that you customize the QR code so that the content you create in Workspace all comes out with the personalized codes. Well, to customize the QR code, choose the desired workspace, click on the gear next to it, and go to the QR code option. Here in these fields you enter information to customize the code. Let's start with the first column. In the first field you choose the background color of the code. Whenever you choose colors, you can place the hexa directly in this field, or you can click on the edit pencil to choose the color. Once this is done, you will find three options. At first, you click on the color field or choose the color from the bar. In the second option, you can enter the RGB of the color. And in the third, you can choose the color by clicking on each frame on each square. And notice that as you enter the data in the fields, here on the side you can see what the QR code is looking like. In this field below, you choose the border size. The higher the number, the smaller the QR code. Further down, you choose the format of the internal corners of the code, square or round. And in this field, you enter the color for the inner corners of the QR code. And it works in the same way as I explained in the first field in the background color of the code. Now let's move on to the second column. In the first field, you define the foreground color of the QR code, entering hexadecimal or clicking without pencil to see other color options. Below you can choose the format of the code body, square, larger, or smaller round. Here you choose the shape of the external corners, which can be square or round. In this field, you define the color of the outer corners. Here below you can attach an image. It can be your logo or any other image. As soon as you enter it, it will appear next to it. It is important to emphasize that, to place an image in the center of the QR code, it is interesting that it has a background to stand out from the other elements of the QR code. And here you can choose the sticker, that is, the frame for your QR code. This blank square is to be used when you personalize the QR code with a sticker and don't want any more. Just want the QR code without a frame. Once everything is defined, go to the Save Changes option.